Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin! And we can begin by simply heading into the settings. Then you want to scroll down a little, head into display and simply make sure that your adaptive brightness is enabled. This may be a little bit misleading since usually it's named automatic brightness, not adaptive brightness, but basically this stands for automatic brightness. You click it and it will switch to being automatically adaptive. So that's pretty self-explanatory. But what if it's still not working? Maybe you do have it enabled, but it doesn't really increase or nor decrease your brightness. What to do then? Well, I would advise you to just reboot your device. You can do that by expanding your control center, clicking the power icon in the top right corner and simply hitting restart and restart once again. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the hardware, but software as well. And speaking of hardware, I do of course mean the sensors near your camera that are responsible for detecting the level of bright around you. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.